Okay, real talk AI is everywhere now. It's in your phone, your apps, even that weird TikTok filter that turns you into a cartoon. But what actually is artificial intelligence? Is it just robots taking over? Magic computer brains? Something way more boring? Let's break it down. No jargon, no confusion, just straight up answers. AI 101. What actually is AI? At its core, AI is just software that tries to mimic how humans think and learn. But here's the thing, it's not like the movies. AI isn't some evil Skynet. It's more like a really, really fast parrot. See, humans learn from experience, touch, fire, get burned, never do it again. AI learns from data, tons and tons of data. Show it a million cat pictures. Boom. It can probably tell you if a new photo has a cat in it. That's it. It's no emotions, no consciousness, just pattern recognition on steroids. Types of AI now? Not all AI is the same. There are basically two types. 1. Narrow AI. This is the AI we have today. It does one thing really well. It's like recommending your next binge watch or beating you at chess. But ask it to make coffee? Nope. It's a one-trick pony. 2. General AI. This is the Hollywood stuff AI that can think, learn, and do anything a human can. Good news, we don't have it yet. Bad news, when we do, it might ask us to prove we're not robots. How AI actually works, okay, but how does AI learn? Let's say you want an AI to recognize dogs. Here's the process. 1. Feed it data. Show it 10,000 dog pics. 2. Train it. The AI looks for patterns. 3. Test it. Throw a new picture at it. Is this a dog? If it's wrong, tweak the algorithm. 4. Repeat until it gets really, really good at guessing. That's machine learning in a nutshell. No magic, just math, data, and a lot of trial and error. Why should you care? So why does this matter? Because AI isn't just some tech bro toyets changing everything. Doctors use it to spot diseases faster. Schools use it to catch cheating. Artists use it to create wild new stuff. And yes, scammers use it to make fake Biden voices. The future's already here, we might as well understand it. So AI isn't magic, it's just smart software that learns from data. Sometimes it's scary, sometimes it's hilarious, but it's definitely not going away. Want more breakdowns like this? Smash that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. What AI topic should we unlock next?